Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary Christian, serving the dealerships since 1981. It's a great run and I'm having fun. Today we have an Apex Bunkhouse trailer, family style, 3,400 pounds. So yes, that little SUV that you have that gets great economy, if it can tow about 4,000 pounds, you're in. Let's take a look inside. 191 RBS. RBs for rear bathroom. Got a nice shower, and take a look at that closet space. Gives you plenty of room in here. I'll pop this open real quick. Got good storage here for your towels, etc., and then good hanging space. Towel bar rack already. Got another storage area down below. And then, once we come back up here, as I close the door, you're going to find out where your big pantry is. And that's a big pantry, 3 different shelves. And then all this storage, you can access from here or from the top. Yes, that's the table that goes down and makes this a nice big bed for 2 additional kids. More storage in here again. USB ports, electrical outlets. We've got storage in here. I know there's not much there, but we have outside storage that we're going to get to. TV backers right here. If you want a TV in here, bring it in, bring them out, and I'll get it mounted for you. You don't have to worry about it. We'll take care of it. Storage all the way across. Good hanging space on both sides. There's one of your access points to go across for the storage. Your solar panel hookup, a little magnet to hold the door open. Outdoor speakers, electric awning. No, there's not going to be that conversation. Who's going to go out and close the awning because it's raining? You walk over, push a button, and it goes in. It's great. Stabilizer jacks all the way around. Nice bumper in the back for your sewer hose. Full-size spare tire. It's got a nice radius roof on the top. Water's going to run off great. The little spouts kick it off the side. Outdoor shower, black water flush, hot water heater, cable hookup or satellite, 110 outlet, Swin Tech for the slide out mechanism. It's a nice small slide, so a Swin Tech is the way to go. Portable water, if you want to take water with you, that's where you would fill it at. Comes with a battery. Make that 2 because it's got a slide out. Let's be generous today. If you got a question on the unit, why don't you call me? You can call me direct at 541-554-9581. Appreciate it.